Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with two heavyweights. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Saturn, and on the right, the QIDI Q1 Pro. It's going to be a clash of the titans, folks. Grab your popcorn and let's get printing. The ELEGOO Saturn comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. That's right, folks, you can get this beauty for less than a weekend at Disneyland. Meanwhile, the QIDI Q1 Pro is a bit more high maintenance, asking for $699. At that price, it better print me a winning lottery ticket. The ELEGOO Saturn boasts a 12K LCD screen with a resolution of 11,520*5120. It's like having an IMAX theater in your printer, and it can print at a speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour. Fast enough to 3D print a new you before your next Zoom meeting. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro might not have the IMAX screen, but it's got speed. We're talking 600 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's faster than my morning coffee run, and trust me, that's saying something. ELEGOO Saturn uses a COB UV light source with a Fresnel collimating lens, making the light uniformity over 92%. Plus, it's got a unique heat dissipation system, so it stays cool under pressure, unlike me during a horror movie marathon. The QIDI Q1 Pro, however, has an active heating chamber temperature control system that can go up to 60 degrees Celsius. It's like having a mini sauna for your prints. Perfect for those filaments that are prone to warping, like ABS and PA. It's basically the spa treatment for your 3D models. The ELEGOO Saturn offers a larger printing volume at 218.88 millimeters by 122.88 millimeters by 250 millimeters. That's enough space to print a mini Eiffel Tower or a life-size bust of your favorite superhero. QIDI Q1 Pro doesn't specify the volume here, but with all those features, it's probably got enough room to print your dreams and aspirations. And if not, it can at least print a really nice vase. ELEGOO Saturn comes with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software with 3 printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of printing. QIDI Q1 Pro, however, takes ease of use to another level. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes. Perfect for beginners, or for those of us who have the patience of a caffeinated squirrel. Plus, it's got a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring and time-lapse photography. You can even control it remotely with a mobile app. ELEGOO Saturn's material compatibility isn't highlighted here, but it's known for handling standard resins like a champ. QIDI Q1 Pro, on the other hand, is like the United Nations of filaments. It's compatible with PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA, PET, ABS, ASA, PAPC, carbon fiber, glass fiber, the list goes on. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Reviewers appreciate the ELEGOO Saturn for its high-quality prints, ease of use, and excellent customer service, though some have had issues with defective parts and leveling problems. On the other hand, the QIDI Q1 Pro is praised for its reliability, advanced features, and exceptional customer service, despite minor issues with software and hardware. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Saturn and QIDI Q1 Pro, two amazing 3D printers, each with their own superpowers. If you're looking to save some bucks and still get amazing prints, the ELEGOO Saturn is your go-to. But if you want speed, versatility, and are willing to splurge a bit, The QIDI Q1 Pro is your new best friend. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buys and hilarious comparisons. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.